You know, from the beginning to the end, at some point during the season, they made some changes. They shook up the offensive line, and the production has been better. But, you know, when you look at their offensive line, they're big, they're strong, they're fast, they're solid. I don't know if there was a lot of weaknesses. I think what they did is they improved themselves by making that switch, I believe, at center. You know, all their linemen are big, they're strong, they're fast, they do a tremendous job in the zone scheme of locking on to people and moving people and creating space for the backs. I think statistically, the last part of the season, there was less sacks, so I think they've done a better job of protecting him. And I'm not sure if that's 100% just the offensive line or some things they're doing schematically to give Jameis more time. But I just think they have a very solid offensive line. I think, you know, over the course of the season, like all of us coaches, we believe if we progress from the beginning to the season, we're getting better. I think those guys have done a lot of what we've done on our team is from the beginning to the season we progressed. And I think that's just a part of a progression of coaches doing a great job of continuing to coach those little things and getting the group overall better.